You've asked the right questions. You know your client's doctors, their medications, and how they think about cost. Now, you need to explain their options. And this is where a lot of new agents lose the client. Not because they don't know the material, but because they know too much and try to share all of it. The client didn't come to learn how Medicare works at a regulatory level. They came because they need help making a decision. Your job is to make that decision feel simple. The first rule is never present more than 2 options. When you put 5 plans on the table, the client shuts down. Too many choices create paralysis, not clarity. Based on what they told you during the needs assessment, you should be able to narrow it down to 2 plans that genuinely fit their situation. Present those 2, explain how each one connects to what they told you, and let them choose. If neither feels right, you can always adjust. But starting with 2 keeps the conversation manageable and keeps the client engaged. The second rule is connect every feature to something they said. Don't list plan features in the abstract. Nobody cares that a plan has a $200 specialist copay until they know what that means for them. Instead, connect it. If your client told you they see a cardiologist twice a year, you say, on this plan, each visit to your cardiologist would cost you $40. On this other plan, it would cost you $20, but the monthly premium is $30 higher. Now they're comparing real numbers tied to their real life, not reading a spreadsheet of benefits they don't understand. The third rule is use analogies, not jargon. Medicare is full of terminology that means nothing to most people. Formulary, coinsurance, benefit period, prior authorization, out-of-pocket maximum. Every one of those terms has a plain English equivalent, and that's what your client needs to hear. Instead of explaining coinsurance as a percentage of the Medicare-approved amount, say, after your deductible, you pay a portion and Medicare pays the rest. Instead of explaining a formulary, say, this is the list of medications the plan covers, and your medications are on it at this cost. The simpler your language, the more confident your client feels. The fourth rule is let the client set the depth. Some clients want to understand everything. They ask questions, they want to compare numbers, they want to know how every piece works. Great, go as deep as they want. Other clients just want to know which plan you'd recommend and why. They trust you and they want you to make it simple. Read the room. If a client's eyes are glazing over, you've gone too deep. Pull back and say, here's the bottom line. This plan covers your doctors, covers your medications, and fits your budget. Everything else is details we can go through if you'd like, or I can handle on my end. Giving the client permission to not understand everything is one of the most relieving things you can do for them. The fifth rule is use paper or a screen, not just words. When you're explaining 2 plans side by side, show the client something visual. A simple comparison sheet with their doctors, their medications, their monthly cost, and their estimated annual cost on each plan. When they can see the numbers next to each other, the decision becomes obvious. Words alone force the client to hold everything in their head, and most people can't do that when they're hearing unfamiliar information for the first time. A simple side-by-side comparison does more than 10 minutes of verbal explanation. Here's what this looks like in practice. You sit down, you've already done the needs assessment, and you say, based on your doctors, your prescriptions, and what you told me about your budget, I looked at the plans available in your area and narrowed it down to 2 that fit. Let me walk you through how each one works for you specifically. Then you go through the comparison using real numbers tied to their real situation. The client isn't overwhelmed because you didn't dump the entire plan landscape on them. You curated, you simplified, you guided. Your action step is to build a simple, 1-page comparison template you can fill in before or during an appointment. 2 columns, 1 for each plan. Rows for monthly premium, doctors covered, medication costs, and estimated annual cost. Use it at your next appointment and watch how much smoother the conversation goes.